In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how I gain my 1000 subscriber in just 5 days by clicking this one setting in the YouTube dashboard and doing something specially with my content. It's not just posting my content, posting every day, but I'm doing this special thing on my content. So, and the best part of it is that you can do it too. Now, the secret I am about to tell you is by uploading YouTube Shorts the perfect way. I am going to explain it to you like an 8-year-old baby in a way that you understand. Okay, so I am not just telling you this, I'll also show you my short analytics to prove the results so that you can see that what I'm telling you is the truth. You can see it with your eyes. Plus, I'll also reveal how I linked my short to my long videos that double my subscriber fast. Okay, so make sure you're watching this video to the end because the last one is something you don't want to miss out for any reason. And I will take you inside my YouTube studio dashboard to show you the exact setting that made a huge difference for me to get that subscribers, that watch hour, and YouTube started pushing out my content. So if this is a video you want to see, please give this video a massive thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, that is if you want to grow on YouTube, and let's get straight to our video. The one major mistake was not focusing on my video analytics. Yes, at the initial time my video quality is like this, and now it is like this. So I am going to show you the comparison between my new shot that got me insanely well, that make my YouTube channel to blow insanely well. Okay, like I told you, is your video quality. When I started using better lighting, cleaner editing, and engaging my audience in the first 3 seconds, my retention rate skyrocketed. The algorithm started pushing my content, and guess what? More views, more subscribers for me. And that was why I was able to reach my first 1000 subscriber. At the time I was doing this video, my subscriber is about 1090 subscribers, but I know that by the time as time goes on it will be more than 1090 subscriber, maybe for more than 1090 subscribers. So this particular video I am sharing you now is only for my subscribers, people that subscribe to my channel. So if you are seeing me for the first time, you know what to do. So if you really want to grow fast on this YouTube, you need to invest in better lighting, clear audio, because people love seeing audio. If people cannot see your background very well, let your audio be very clear. Even if you are using a phone, ensure your videos are bright and very sharp and also engaging from the start. The second thing I did was linking my shorts to my long form videos. Now here is something most small YouTubers ignore. If you want to grow on YouTube, if you want to get your 1000 subscriber, make sure that whenever you are posting short form video, you are linking it with your long form video. No matter how the long form video is, if the long form video is related to the short, make sure you are linking a long form video to that particular short. I didn't just post short randomly. Instead, I strategically linked them to my long form video. So this is the interface of this particular short that has given me over 11.3k views. Guys, this is so massive, and it has generated a 58 plus 58 subscribers. Okay, so this particular short is all about doing it the right way. Okay, it's all about doing it the right way. And let's go to the engagement. Once you go to the engagement, I was able to generate about 100 watch hour from this short. Did you see? So these are the right ways, and this was this particular short that helped my 1000 subscriber grow way faster. I believe you have seen it, like you have seen those my short that skyrocketed my channel. So the next thing is being consistent with your videos. At least I posted short once a while. Guess what? Nothing happened. Then I tested uploading at least 1 to 2 shots per day and a long video every 3 to 4 days. That is when my subscriber count exploded. So if you want to grow on YouTube, you're gonna be consistent. Yes,
bombastic side eye, criminal offense.
because if you are not showing up on this YouTube platform, there is no way that subscriber will fall down from heaven. So you gonna be consistent. Now, the setting that changed everything for me, like the setting that I'm about to show you, like that particular setting I told you that I clicked and my subscriber was over the roof. Now, if you have watched to this extent, subscribe to my channel and let me show you this particular setting that skyrocketed views. Let's go. Okay guys, so this particular setting, this particular game changing setting that I told you that I turned on my YouTube studio and started getting that subscriber. Like I turned this setting on and I didn't know that this particular setting was already turned off on my channel. So this particular setting is very common. Like maybe you have heard it somewhere or other creators have said it in one of their videos like that. This particular setting, you can only have access to it if you have not published that particular video. Okay, so but without wasting much of our time, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll just go to one of my video that I have uploaded. Let me just use it for the case of this tutorial. Okay, so that you, after watching this video now, you will go to your own YouTube. Maybe if you want to upload your video, or once you have uploaded your video, during your optimization you can now turn on this particular setting. Okay, so let just make use of one of my video as an example. So this is a video of mine I have uploaded. So I'm about to show you this particular setting that I turn on my channel. Like I didn't know that this setting was turned off, and I have been uploading my short and getting views. I have been consistent. I have been linking my short form video with my long form video, but there is this one particular setting that is hindering you from not getting subscribers, people that will watch your video, people that will engage in your video. So this particular setting is, so when you click on this video, let me click on this video, I will click on show more. Then just just be looking at this screen right now. Just be making sure you are watching through me now. Just make sure you are following this step I'm about to show you, because if you miss this step, you are leaving a tons of growth on your channel and you will not be getting that subscribers. Okay, so I was able to do this thing, and in the 5 days I did this thing, I got over 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so this particular setting is, you see this publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. Now, this publish to subscription feed and notify subscriber means if you want to notify your subscribers that you have uploaded your video. Now, when you look at this statement now, you see that it has two options. The first one is, do you want to publish to subscription feed? Do you want to publish it to your subscription feed? I mean, if you go to your subscription icon on your YouTube studio, if you have subscribed to any channel and that channel uploads a video, it will be shown to that subscription feed. So do you want it to be shown there? And the other one is, and you notify your subscriber, I mean people that has turned on their notification bell, so anytime you upload they will get notification. Okay, so this statement means two things. So if you click off this video, if you click off this thing now, why this mark is not highlighted like this allow embedding is that I published it to subscription feed already. That means I turn it on. So but if you turn this particular publish to subscription feed, if you turn it off and publish that video you want to publish, you will not notify subscriber. Even if you have thousands of subscribers, even if you have 20 subscriber, 1,000 subscriber, 5,000 subscriber, all those 5,000 subscriber are not going to see your up content, I mean your video. Maybe they might see it sooner later, okay, but at that time you publish that video they will not see it. That is the disadvantage of you turning off this particular word setting. Now once you turn it on and publish it, you are telling your subscribers that you have published a video and they will go and watch it, right? And you have also notified your subscribers, and also people that you subscribe to their channel. Once they upload video, you will get the notification. Like when you go to your YouTube studio, click on that subscription icon, you will see a notification of people that you subscribe to their channel. So if you turn it on, they will get notified, and once you publish it, it will now be dimmed like this, like you are seeing it on the screen right now. That is to show you that you turn it on. So this is this particular setting that I turn on. I know many of you might be seeing other videos, other creators video, they might be telling you to turn it off. Please do not turn it off unless you are looking for, maybe you don't have any subscriber, you just open a new YouTube channel, okay, and you just have 0 subscribers, you just need a new audience. That is when you can only turn it off. But once you have gotten subscribers, please make sure you turn it on, okay. So this is this particular setting. I am very very happy because right now I'm over 1,500 subscriber. As I'm speaking to you now, I have gotten about 1,500 subscriber, and this is from this particular strategy. So you have to use these secret strategies that I'm giving you right now. So if you are lucky to have me on your channel, if you are lucky to see this video, please give this video a thumbs up if you think that this video you find it very helpful. But if you do not find this video helpful, please don't subscribe to my channel. I love to be plain, I love to be real, okay. I don't want people to do what they don't want to do against their will. So if you think that you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a massive thumbs up so that it can get to a whole lot of people, okay. So if you know that you have not turned it on, whenever you want to upload your video, okay, like as you have uploaded the video but you have not published it, just make sure you go to this place. You can only have access to this place on your YouTube dashboard. So if you're using YouTube dashboard to upload your video, fine, okay. But if you are still using the YouTube app to upload your video, fine. The thing is that once you have uploaded the video on your channel, put it as private or what unlisted, then come over to your dashboard and do the necessary things, okay. Make sure that every of your video you have this subscription, this publish to subscription feed on. You turn it on, never you turn it off for any reason unless you want to kill your channel, okay, and if you don't want to grow. So this particular tutorial, this particular setting I'm giving you is for only my subscriber, people that subscribe to my channel, and this is the bonus tips I am giving you. Like this is a secret growth tips I am giving you, so you can share it to any other people who are looking to get up to 1,000 subscriber and more. So show them this video, let them implement this setting that I just show you now, okay. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and I will be waiting for your results, okay.